Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hand pack a cone style automotive wheel bearing. This is pretty easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it if you have a cone style wheel bearing for your vehicle. And remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. Alright, so what you're going to need is some wheel bearing grease. I have some Timken wheel bearing grease that I bought at the auto parts store. You can use any kind of wheel bearing grease. It just happens to be Timken. You're going to need your new wheel bearing. So this one right here, picked up from the auto parts store. And this is what it looks like right here. Whoop. So if you have a wheel bearing that looks like this is how you would hand pack it. You can notice on the back of it that there's like a opening right here, and there are all little rollers right here. And then this is what the other side of it looks like. The job will be a lot easier, or a lot less messy, I should say, if you get yourself a set of gloves. I picked these gloves up at Harbor Freight. They're pretty inexpensive, and seems to be the cheapest place to get them. So I'm going to throw my gloves on, and I'm going to hand pack these bearings, and I'll show you what it's all about. It's not that hard to do. So let's put on some gloves. Alright, and then, so grab some grease. So you're going to take this hand right here, and then you're going to grab some grease and put it in the palm of your hand. So here are the rollers right here. On the other side of the bearing that's open, you're going to scoop up like the grease like this, the wheel bearing grease, and this is, you're going to turn the bearing, scoop it, and then pack it. And what's going to happen is you can see like all the grease start to come out of the rollers. That's what you want to have happen. You want to have more grease than less grease in there. So you go like that. And if you need to put a little more in there, you can, just to make sure there's enough. So just keep working your way around. Just like that. So all of the grease is out of these rollers, and you have the wheel bearing packed. That's all there really is to it. You can take the excess grease out, put it back in your jar, and that's what it should look like when you're done. It should be, you know, more than enough wheel bearing grease on all the sides, and that's how you hand pack a wheel bearing the proper way. It's not really too hard. So remember, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave a question or a comment, and we'll reply right back to you. Thanks for watching.